Make this summer unforgettable driving in a Mercedes-Benz from Mercedes-Benz of Edison. Join me Friday, July 10th at 12 noon, where I will be hosting my show live from Mercedes-Benz of Edison. I'm excited to see my friend and GM Doug Wells and the entire staff. Mercedes-Benz of Edison is committed to making your shopping experience stress-free. That's one reason they were named the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Dealer of the Year by Cars.com. Visit Mercedes-Benz of Edison and meet me, Greg Kelly. See you soon.
Listen, all you New Yorkers. Taxi!
Okay, man, we're looking around.
This is the 77 WABC minicast.
And everybody, right now, let's go to Suffolk County, New York DA Ray Tierney, talking a lot about some of these parole bills. Judge Weinberg.
Mr. District Attorney, good to have you on the show. Now, you're the chairman of the state DAs, so you're familiar with these two remarkable bills being proposed by the Democrats up in Albany. One is called the Elder Parole Bill, and the other one is Fair and Timely Parole. Now, would you tell our listeners how dangerous these bills are that are being pushed by the Democratic legislature, which has overwhelming ability to pass these things, that will put these on the governor's desk? This is breaking news about more danger to public safety.
Yeah, once again, the legislature puts the rights of criminals above victims. The fair and timely parole that will turn the parole process upside down. There will be a presumption of release, meaning that the state is going to have to prove why this person should remain in jail. And the worst part about it is the parole board cannot deny parole based upon the nature of the crimes committed.
That means murderers would be under this. Is that correct?
Yes, no matter how, and if there was aggravating factors, torture, mutilation, whatever, no matter how horrible, the parole board specifically cannot consider those aggravating factors. The very reason why they received a significant sentence in the first place. It will render the parole process automatic. So, in other words, at the first opportunity, these dangerous criminals will be released from jail with no regard for the continued suffering of victims and their families. That's fair and timely parole. And
then you have the other bill, which is the Elder Bill. Would you explain that too?
Sure. So any inmate who reaches the age of 55, who has served at least 15 years, gets a parole hearing, no matter their crime. So it would abolish the life without parole. So even for serial killers, cop killers, and racist murderers. So if parole is denied, the inmate automatically gets another hearing every other year until released. And victims' families will continue to have to suffer and to relive the horrors of the crime every other year. So it's automatically eligible for every inmate who serves 15 years and is past the age of 55. So in the case of Suffolk County and the Gilgo Beach killer, Rex Uriman, he'll be eligible for parole, notwithstanding the fact that he was sentenced to life without parole, probably within the next 10 to 12 years.
Wow. Well, Ray, thank you so
Ray,
much.
We have some breaking news coming in from Iran, so we got to cut short. Thank you so much for coming on. Much. And we'll talk to you again soon.
No problem, guys. My pleasure.
Thank you.
Ray, thank you.
Get ready, Staten Island.
The Ferry Hawks are back at SIUH Community Park July 7th to the 12th for a 6-game series against the High Point Rockers. Wednesday, July 8th with first pitch at 6:30. It's Woo Wednesday in collaboration with the Wu-Tang Clan. The Ferry Hawks transform into the Shaolin Hawks. Thursday, July 9th, first pitch is at 6:30. It's Thirsty Thursday with $5 Bud and Bud Light drafts.
Visit ferryhawks.com now to lock in your seats.